At the intersection of Cedar and Garrison is Bischoff's, a mom-and-pop ice cream shop that's been a Teaneck staple for nearly a century with an abundance of homemade ice cream flavors.
Bischoff's started in New York City back in the 1890s. It was my great-grandfather, Albert Bischoff, who started it. And they decided to retire at some point, like in the late 20s, early 30s. And they moved to Teaneck because it was the community everybody wanted to be in. They built a house and they started to enjoy retirement, and the Great Depression hit. So they needed money again, and they opened up the store that we're standing in 1934. And here we are 89 and a half years later, still going.
It was a sad day when Bischoff shut its doors on New Year's Eve of 2022 due to a mix of post-pandemic struggles and shifting candy market interests. But an outpouring of community love and support inspired Stephen to revamp his family's storefront for a new age.
3 friends of mine approached me about maybe trying something a little different and looking at things from a different angle. So we brought the 3 of them in and started doing things in a different way. And we reopened on Memorial Day with the same great ice cream we've always had with the homemade toppings. And we substituted Ronnie's Rock and Grill with some recipes in our kitchen and kicked it up a notch to make everybody excited about the food and the ice cream together. It's been a big hit so far.
It's like having a new family, and I'm glad that I can do this and hang out here with my family and bring out new food, new ideas, and it's been wonderful because people, they come here, they go to me, and people that go to me, they come here too. So it's
We complement each other.
yeah, it's great. We complement each other. That's right. It's a good word. Yeah.
The memories of being in Bischoff's, celebrating family events or tragedies or doctor's visits or whatever the case may be, there was a lot of different emotions tied into that. And I was seeing people, and there was a line out the door waiting to get ice cream, and everybody wanted to talk to me and tell me about what it meant to them that we wouldn't be here anymore, and it was just so difficult. So we created the My Bischoff Stories so that people could write down their memories, and the people I couldn't get to or didn't have time to talk to, I could then go back and read their stories later. Now with the pop-up, we have all of those stories on a screen because I photographed all of them when we closed because I wanted to keep them, safe. And so we have them on a screen now, and they're rotating, and everybody can come in and look for their story or read other people's stories. And it's become a part of our history now.
The Bischoff's pop-up will remain open through Labor Day, with plans for a fall and winter hiatus to follow for further renovations and a retooling of the menu. If all goes according to plan, Bischoff's will reopen once again in the spring of 2024 to coincide with the business's 90th anniversary.
Good food and the good ice cream, you couldn't ask for anything better.